Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss organizing our factory and machinery. This will enable us to move products smoothly and work more efficiently. We'll focus on setting up a factory with a capacity of 80 liters per day in an area of 500 to 1000 square feet area. First, we'll start with the raw material entry and storage. Designate an area near the entrance for storage of raw materials for easy unloading. Use shelving or bins for organization. After that, have a seed cleaner area. Keep a seed cleaner next to the storage to clean the seeds before pressing. Then we can have wood press machine area. Centralize this area with enough space for operation and maintenance. Next to it, there is filtering area. After the wood press machine, there is a place to filter the oil to remove impurities. This should be followed by bottling and labeling area. It should be clean zone followed by filtering area, first bottling equipment, then capping machine and finally labeling machine. Have finished product stock near the exit. Allocate space to store bottled oil near the exit, away from raw materials to prevent cross-contamination.
All the best.
Subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel.